Hello everyone, so this is the dried version of my previous. If you'd like to go and have a look, the depth is unreal. Let's put some light on there so you can actually have a look, you can see. But that depth is just unbelievable. I just love the way it turned out. And this gold is just so blingy. It's unbelievable. I really love it. Please stick around for the next video, and I hope you enjoy. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel withBade Art. Today I'm doing a 18 by 24 inch Trio Colander Pour, and I'm using some gold, a 24 karat gold. So this is the end result, and I think it actually came out really beautiful. I absolutely love this blue running through the gold. Really has come out stunning. And this part here as well. I think it was quite a successful and interesting pour. And this was a request from one of my viewers. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you for requesting it. I hope you enjoyed. Really is a beautiful piece. So this is a 18 by 24 inch. So it's pretty large. Try and give you a shot of the whole thing, but it's quite difficult really. Again, I've got the framed edges, which are really pretty. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.